Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Vaillant thermostat. Firstly, turn off power and take a photo of the existing wiring for reference. If unsure, consult a qualified installer to ensure safety. Firstly, power connection, top right, 230 V block, live brown and neutral blue from the Tado receiver. Go to L, then L live and N for neutral. This powers the Tado receiver unit. Now remove the red loop or bridge from the RT terminals on the PCB. Connect the gray and black wires from the Tado receiver to the RT terminal block. On-wire into each of the two RT terminals. Now, the black and gray wires should be wired into a COM and the NO normally open terminals on the Tado backplate. Double check COM and NO. Use the Tado app to configure your wireless receiver and thermostat. Ensure it's paired and assigned as the primary controller. Run a test by setting a heating demand from the app and checking if the boiler fires up. Final checklist: Tado receiver powered on, bridge removed from RT on boiler PCB, COM or NO from Tado to RT on boiler, thermostat paired and connected via app, and heating response when temp is raised. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.